Joining me now is Vanker, Flynn MacKrell's mother. So nice to see you, not under these circumstances. I can't even fathom what you're going through. You've said this has been a nightmare for you, that you can't even believe Flynn's gone.
Absolutely. I barely have had time to grieve. You know, my mother went into congestive heart failure a week after the funeral, and we buried her in June, and she was very healthy. So it's been catastrophic.
You're seeking justice. You're asking the Wayne County prosecutor to seek criminal charges against Kiernan's mom, Elizabeth. Why?
Michigan statute and the writings around gross negligence, the cases, which I believe were used in the Cromley case, are pretty clear. Each state could have a little difference, but gross negligence is, recognizing when a reasonable person would know that something's dangerous, you have the ability to affect that, and it's a willful, wanton disregard for human life. And clearly, once we got the police report, we could see that Mrs. Tague, Elizabeth Tague, was more than well aware. And I think the warnings are more evidence that she was aware, not that she was really willing to do something.
Yeah, she knew Kiernan was speeding, and the word speed, that seems like an understatement. He was roaring through neighborhood streets at 120 miles per hour while taking pictures of his own speedometer and videos of himself doing these kinds of things. She knew, and she didn't take the car keys away from him.
No, instead she bought a faster car. She currently still has a Subaru 2012, but a month before they killed my son, Flynn, she bought a BMW X3 competitive package. That car can go in 6 seconds to 117 miles an hour. And the 5 minutes Flynn was in the car, they drove over to a friend's house to say hello, and Keirnan Tague put the foot on the accelerator at 100%, and in 6 seconds was going 105 miles an hour in a 25 resident.
Yeah, you wrote actually to the Wayne County prosecutor saying there was clear evidence that in fact she knew and could have done something wrong. Have you heard anything back from the prosecutors on whether they're going to charge her?
You know, we haven't. I've heard through the media that there's a warrant for someone, a relative in their family. I imagine just some things that have happened after our letter that they've taken it seriously, obviously. You know, the original report went to the juvenile courts. And so after the letter, I think that there was a special victims prosecutor that spoke to the detective. And now that information, basically the investigation you're seeing and the public scene that I've seen is on Keirnan Tague. I think there's going to be the investigation on her phone or more Life 360.
Yeah, Life 360 is the app she was tracking him on. It shows you, the parent, exactly how fast your child is in the car, how fast they're going, where they are. The evidence in the app and the text messages show that she was tracking him and knew that he was speeding. I mean, I can't even comprehend these speeds in 25-mile-per-hour zones, which means it's a residential neighborhood. You actually think the case for prosecuting Elizabeth Tague is stronger than it was in the Ethan Crumbley case. You told the Detroit Free Press she was like a ticking time bomb. It's like she handed him an AR-15. Is that, I mean, that's pretty strong.
Well, more people, as you mentioned, about automobile deaths. In Michigan, it's the #1 killer of especially young men between 16 and 20 years old. And we rank one of the highest states for teenage deaths in cars. And if we don't make an example, you know, you can have all these different technology that's supposed to help parents track their kids. But when they fail to do anything, and this sort of egregious, outlier, I think it's important to send a message, because he's being, charged with second-degree murder. But certainly she is, if you will, an accomplice. because she had every capability. She knew her temperament of her son.
Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.